back again with another video talking about what is motherhood. Motherhood is always, constantly, perpetually washing. I do laundry Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All through the week I'm washing. Not even my clothes, the baby's clothes. Yeah, the baby is now doing potty training, so you can imagine the drama that goes with that. I mean, kudos to the kid. He's, learned what there is to learn. He gives us a heads up, but just sometimes it's not enough time for us to take him to the bathroom. So I'm not just only washing clothes, I have to wash shoes, and yeah, I'm just always washing. If I'm not able to wash during the week because it's raining or some other reason, maybe I got a little bit busy and something else other than laundry took my attention, I have just really literally some of Friday and most of Saturday to do the laundry. Okay, thankfully I'm not washing by hand. There's a washing machine, but somebody has to sort the colors and somebody has to load and unload the washing machine. And yes, me, mom has the wonderful job of constantly always doing laundry. So that is what a motherhood is for me. Always doing laundry. Sorting it to be washed, sorting it after it's washed, finding the mysteriously missing socks and trying to pair them. Sometimes you put a load and there's just one sock, and miraculously after you've put in that load, the other sock that was missing shows up. But anyways, yeah, so that's just what motherhood is, in case you're wondering, and yeah, and you wanted to hear. That's what motherhood is. Always, constantly, like I said before, perpetually washing. I never knew my new favorite electronic gadget. Well, I'm not going to call it favorite, but I am intimately acquainted with the inner workings of our laundry machine. Yeah, if you're bored enough and you want to hear what our laundry machine sounds like, I even have a video of the sound, because it's white noise and it helps our baby sleep sometimes, and he's a big fan of it. He always goes to the washing machine and says, yes, it's going round and round, and yeah, that's basically it. Anyways, I'm gonna stop there. Motherhood is constantly always washing, always doing laundry. Yeah, that's what motherhood is. All right, until the next one, thanks for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed yet, press the big red button and the bell next to it so you can get a notification the next time I have a video. Bye. Thanks for stopping by. What's motherhood for you? Or parenting? What is it for you? Make sure you drop a comment. And yeah, until the next one. Again, bye.